Tired of sky-high electric bills, ready to go off-grid? High electricity costs are the direct motivation for building off-grid systems. When choosing a battery, the complex specifications can be overwhelming. Furthermore, true safety requires UL certification, but batteries with this certification typically cost twice as much. DIY seems cheaper until you need more power and parallel wiring becomes a nightmare. But luckily, I finally found this battery, ECO-WORTHY Cubix100, 48-volt 100 ampere-hour battery. 1. Plug-and-play kit. 2. UL9540, UL1973, CEC certified. 3. 10-year warranty. It offers the same level of UL certified batteries at a lower price, making it an excellent value for money. Up to 32 units can be connected in parallel, with each unit having a capacity of 5120 watt-hour, for a total capacity of up to 163.8 kilowatt-hour. Emergency power supply, home backup power supply, off-grid cabin power supply, ECO-WORTHY Cubix100, 48-volt 100 ampere-hour battery, your ultimate off-grid power solution.